Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of closures. This concept comes from JavaScript programming language. Remember that this concept is not available in all programming languages. It only available in a languages those allow to declare function within a function. Like in Java, we can't declare function within a function. So this concept is not available in Java programming language. But this is available in Dart and JavaScript. So what is closure? That we are going to understand. So I say closure dot Dart. I say void main. Now here, suppose I have a variable. I say num1 equal to 20. Remember? And I have a function. So I declare function here. So I say void display like this. And I say print. I say value of num1 equal to, and here I say num1 like this. Now I call this, here I say display. Remember that this is display function within main function. Remember, function within a function, and this is called calling function. Now what is the closure? What is the special in it? Remember that this is a main function. We are declaring a function within a function. That is not an ordinary thing. This is the special thing. Only JavaScript and this Dart programming language support. So this is the variable that is available in main function. Remember, this is not available in this function, but we are able to call this here num1. If I run this program, you will see that, and it will display value of num is 20. Why? This num is not available under this display function, but still this function is able to access this variable. Remember that this is the concept called closure. That means a inner function automatically capable to use all the outer variable of its outer function. Remember that all the variables of outer function automatically accessed by the inner function. Remember that this inner function is capable to use outer variables here. That's why it's called closure. If I declare any other function, I say void message, remember, and here suppose I print this statement, okay, like this. So num1 is not there, and I call it here message. Remember, I call it message here. So this is the same thing. I'm calling it from the main, but this function is outside of a main. Remember, that's why this num1 is not accessible to message function, but it's accessible to display, because display is a function that is inside a main. So automatically, by the concept of closure, that means this num1 can be accessed within a display function. Remember that, but it is not accessible within this. Why? Because this is not the inner function of main. This is the outer one. So under this bracket, this num1 is accessible and live. So outside this bracket, this num1 doesn't exist. So this num1 is not accessed here. Remember that. So we have to pass it from the variable. We can say num1 like this. Now it is accessible. Now we can pass it like this. So I'm passing this from here to this. Now it is possible because we are passing argument, not passing a variable. We are passing a value. So we're passing a value from this to this. So this concept is valid here. So this is called the closure. Remember that the inner function is able to access the variable of outer function. This concept is called closure. Same in JavaScript, same in Dart. Simple one. We can run it once again. You see, answer is same, but the concept is different. This is a normal function. This is the closure one. If you like the closure in a simple way, I think you understand now what is closure. I explain in very simple concept in JavaScript video also. If you go for my JavaScript playlist, there I have also explained the closure in terms of JavaScript, and here I have explained in terms of Dart. Both concepts in Dart or JavaScript are same, no differences, only syntax is change. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share to your friend, like this video, and thank you for watching this video also.